Hey guys, again welcome to my channel Financial Bee. Today I'll discuss with you IPO. This is the latest trendy topic right now. But first of all guys, please I request all of you to like, share and subscribe my videos so that you will get update as soon as I upload my videos on very hot topics of finance. So coming to our topic right now is Zomato. Zomato is the most awaited IPO. We are hearing from everywhere Zomato, but wait. It is still a loss-making company, you know that? It's still a loss-making company, but I have checked the history. The losses are getting lesser now day by day. So we can proceed with it further. What is the history of Zomato? Zomato was founded over by the two IITians, Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadha, who find it difficult once a while. They were standing in a queue for lunch and they find it difficult to get a menu. So they started their website known as Foodie Bay. And they published all the menus there. People were used to giving reviews on those products, and hence they got a traffic. So they initiated, which led to the Zomato opening. This was decided to solve the simple issue by making an internet portal for the menu, and this further leads to Zomato company, which is now you all know what it is. Acquisitions by Zomato. Zomato is the major acquired 14 companies. It is also known as acquisition king among all the industry leaders. Here I will enumerate certain companies which Zomato has acquired right now. First of all, it is Menumania, Gastronomy, then Zibando, Urban Spoon, Maple Graph, Spurs Lab, Tech Eagle Innovations, Runner, Tungsten and Uber Eats, which it has recently acquired. Coming to the business verticals of Zomato. Zomato acquires on B2B and B2C concept. For users, it provides a platform to search and locate the restaurant according to their budget, location and preferred cuisine. It also provides an online portal to search easily. For local business, Zomato provides a platform for the restaurant to promote their business and to reach a target audience, thereby generating revenue income for various outlets. Now coming to our Google screen, if we type Zomato IPO price, you can check from here that the price has been fixed at rupees 72 to 76. Zomato's rupees 9375 crore initial public offering will hit the market on July 14. This will be the second biggest IPO since SBI card and payment services rupees 10,341 crore issued in March 2020. So you can check from the reviews through Google also that it is the second most biggest IPO. So friends, first of all, don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as this IPO. And as I told in my earlier videos also, you have to subscribe any IPO within first 2 days. Don't wait for the last day. So thank you guys. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you so much.